Resetting the Galaxy S24 keyboard settings helps resolve issues like lagging, unresponsiveness, or incorrect autocorrect suggestions by restoring the keyboard to its default configuration. Here's how to do it. First, open the app drawer and tap on Settings. Scroll down until you find General Management and tap on it. Next, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll see the option to reset to default settings. Tap on that. Here you have a couple of options. If you want to restore the keyboard to its default state, simply select Reset Keyboard Settings and then tap Reset at the bottom of the screen. This will reset all your keyboard preferences, which is helpful if you've changed settings and are noticing unexpected behavior. If you're having trouble with personalized predictions or touch recognition, you can also delete that data by tapping the appropriate option and following the on-screen instructions. Additionally, if you'd like to clear the cache for the keyboard app, you can do so by tapping Clear Cache. And that's all there is to it. We hope this tutorial helped you out. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips.